Hello guys, welcome to TradingScience. So I'm here with some more stocks for this November 3rd week. So before going to that stocks, I just want to update you previous stocks how it went, previous analysis video which I posted last week. So there was three targets reached. One is for Britannia, one is for HDFC Bank, and then one is for Adani Ports. I just posted the targets and all in community tab. You can check out. And there is one stop loss reached Grasim, that to trial stop loss, and remaining are not given the trades, so we just ignore that. And we just found some more stocks for this week, and there are some more stocks which is carry forward from next last week to today's week, this week. So let's get into the stocks and we'll see how it is going to give a trades and risk reward on that. So first one is, so I'm going with a 1 hour time frame, since we are planning for 1 hour or 1 week or 2 week time frame. So here you can see in the 1 hour time frame, I've connected the support line and resistance line on the top and bottom. So here it was a good breakout in 1 hour candle and it closed very well. And after closing it, it gave the retest here and it started going upside. So any chance if it is opening a flat, so it's a very good opportunity for buying. So if any chance is opening the lower levels, and we will wait for the breaking these higher levels. Okay. uh, if it is opening gap up, let it retest to these levels and then we can take entry. That will be a good entry, and risk reward also will be our favor. So if you want to put a stop loss, if it is opening flat, let it close a candle above these levels. If it is opening gap up, or after closing a candle above this level, you can put let's say if you're taking levels here, you can put a stop loss below this level because it is already retested. So if it is crossing these below levels, then it will be a fake breakout and giving a losses. So you can take easily minimum at least 1:2. After that, it's your up to you, like how much time you have to hold. So previous resistance, if you see, the first resistance is this level, but I feel this is going to be break, and the next support is for 10%. You can see almost 2.5% return on this. This is an Okari. And next one is Indus Tower. You can see in 1 hour time frame, it's a really clear ascending uh, chart pattern. In the top side, there are one, two, three, four resistance. On the bottom side, only two resistance, but still there is a high chances on breaking upside. So if it is breaking upside, you can trip up the trade with a target of this level. So this has to be your target because it's a previous support resistance level. So easily you will get 1:2 target on this also. Stop loss you have to keep below this level. Below this is a swing here. You can keep a stop loss below this level if it is breaking. Or if it is making another swing here and if it is breaking, you need to keep a stop loss this level. Okay, accordingly you put the target 1:2. This is Indus Tower. And next one is Tata Steel. This is carry forwarding from last week. I've already posted these charts in our community and last video also. Actually, for this entry was at this candle, uh, but after the breakout, we took the position and keep a stop loss here. Now it's moving upside, so based on the tomorrow Monday market opening, we can trail the stop loss to this level or this level. Okay, it depends on how it will move on the Monday. So next one is Reliance. You can keep this as a watch list. So it is moving in the range to top side levels. So if it's breaking to downside levels, there is a high probability of moving fast move to till this level 2420. This is going to be first target on the downside, and this is going to be last target of downside. So if it is breaking the upside levels, so risk reward will be very less, but still we can plan the trades. because there is a higher levels here. If it is breaking higher levels also, so we can expect a move to upside. So it has to consolidate in between like this for the move. If it's consolidating like this and breaking this level together, so it will be a bullish move to the upside levels. So for now, you can keep this into watch list and keep tracking this. Wherever you get entry, you can take a plan. Accordingly. You can plan the trade. Risk reward is should be at least 1:2. IndusInd Bank, we have already discussed this in previous video. So it was a fake breakout here. So we have not taken the entries around this level. We will wait for the breakout again. Yeah, next is Havels. It is moving inside the range, down, up, down, up, and down. So if anywhere it is breaking here or anywhere, so we can take up the trade. Uh, Stop loss has to be previous swing. Let's see if it is breaking these levels now. So based on the breaking, how it is going to break, we will keep a stop loss this level, because if it is making the green candle here, it has to retest these levels and go up. So it will be a good potential to upside. So if it is after breaking, if it is coming down to a loop and breaking this level, that means it's a fake breakout. We can ignore that. Or if you are taking any position, you can exit with minimal losses. And first target has to be for this at least these levels. Okay, always try to put targets around round levels, because round levels may act as a support and resistance than normal prices. So next one is Nestle India. As you can see, Nestle India is inside the range. So anywhere it is breaking like upside or downside, you can plan the trade. Stop loss has to be previous swing. Let's say if it is breaking downside like this, have to keep a stop loss around this level. If it is coming like if it is breaking to upside levels, like opening gap up and making a candle here, have to keep a stop loss below these levels or below these levels. Okay. You can easily plan at least 1:2, 1:3 in this Nestle stock, because it is trading around higher levels. So there is a high probability of moving to upside, moving forward. So you can keep trailing the stop loss without any target, or you can plan accordingly 1:2 or 1:3. So next one is IGL. So I just want to explain you in a 1 day time frame here. So you can see here, after the breakout, it directly went to upside. It didn't even give a retracement. It started going to upside like anything. So after moving 3 to 4 days, it consolidated these levels, but it is not able to sustain these levels. It fell down, and again it started coming to the same levels. You can see the trend line on the top. So now it is hovering to the near to the resistance level. So if it is any chance breaking this level, so this can be a good move. So this is the same chart pattern which we had seen in HDFC Bank last week, which gave almost 6% to 7% in a same day, 1 day. Okay, you can see here there is a small channel pattern here inside this. It's hovering at the resistance levels. Any chances of closing a candle above these levels will be a good entry, and stop loss will be previous swing. This one, or if it is making a low here or and breaking, this will be a stop loss. Easily you can take a target of 1:3 for this stock as well. Next one is Tata Consumer. So this one also I just want to update you on 1 day time frame once, and then we go to 1 hour time frame. So you can see it is in channel pattern, up and down. So now it is touched the support levels and going back to upside. That means it has to touch the resistance level, right? So now we are at the support levels. Now what we need to do, we need to go to a lower time frame and see if there is any breakout price action opportunity in there. You can see there are two channel patterns, like two trend lines going on the top, which is red, which is almost here, and this red inside channel, and you can see the rectangle here which are drawn. This is a very supportive zone, so most probably there is high probability of breaking to upside levels. Any candle closing above these levels will be a good opportunity, and target will be resistance level. Easily it will give 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4 target. Let's say if you are taking the target these levels, see, you can see 1 is to 3 target easily you can take. Okay, so or you can keep trailing the stop loss until it reaches the stop target. So this will be a very good trade for this next coming weeks. And next one is Simon's India. So this is for I'm giving for selling. So there is a reason why I'm giving selling. We will talk about this in the next week after reaching a target. So most probably if it is breaking downside, so it will reach a target of this level. Okay, and stop loss has to be above this level, because if it is opening flat, there is a high chances of closing a candle below this trend line, and you can plan the trade. It will be 1 is to 2 easily risk reward ratio. So we can plan to make selling side Simons. So even Adani is transmission. It's like a small breakdown on the downside. So this is not yet confirmed. So we will wait for 1 more day. If it is any chances of opening in between the range and breaking the close below this candle, so that will be a selling opportunity. And most probably here you can see it broke the upper level, but it is not sustained, and it started coming down. So by any chance if it is closing a candle below this level, so we can plan our trade with the minimum stop loss. See, you can see this is very small stop loss, and you can take at least target of these levels. Okay, and next one is Dabur. So you can see in 1 day 1 hour time frame Dabur in higher level there is a resistance trend line, or on the top there is 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is consolidation at the resistance level. So you can see when it comes to a recent chart, there is a channel here. I mean there is a pattern here. So if it is breaking to upside level, there is a high probability of breaking upside levels. So it will be a good trade for you. You can take at least 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3 target. But if it is breaking downside, you can ignore the stock. Okay, if it is breaking to upside levels, then only plan the trade for buying. It's in buying sentiment, so you can plan the trades for the buying. So target you have to keep at least first level. This is the first level, and the second level is around this level trend line. You can plan until the trend line touches here. Okay. So next one is DR Reddy's lab. So you can see DR Reddy's lab has given the breakout here, but it was a fake breakout, and after breaking it's rejected here, and it didn't cross these above levels. So there is a possibility of breaking down here. So you can plan the trades accordingly. It will be a selling side. Definitely there is a more space here for the big move on the downside. So easily at least you can take some minimum quantity in the options or futures. So at least 1 lot. So it will be high probability of falling down, because you can see in the previous charts when it started falling there is a fast rally in the downside. So there is a high chances at the same level it is rejected. High chances are there it can fall again. So you can plan the trade when the 1 hour candle closes below this trend line. Below this trend line, you can see the red candle, sorry, red trend line. So you have to keep a stop loss above these levels. So that will be a good risk reward ratio on this dabber. So that's it. That's all about this week stocks. And if you want to know any stocks, you can comment, and we'll see these how these stocks go on next week, and we'll come with more stocks up next coming week. And if any stock is more potential in between the week, we will post in community channel in YouTube community channel, so you can easily take the trades without missing. Okay, we used to post the charts over here. Okay, thank you for